It was a sunny day in the small village of Willowbrook. Lucy was walking home from school when she heard a tiny meow. She looked around and saw a small kitten hiding under a bush. "Hello, little kitten. Are you lost?" Lucy asked softly. The kitten meowed again and came out from the bush. It was white with a little black spot on its nose. Lucy picked up the kitten and looked for a collar, but there wasn't one. "I'll take you home and find your owner," she said. At home, Lucy gave the kitten some milk and called her mom. "Mom, I found a lost kitten. Can we keep it until we find the owner?" "Of course, Lucy. We'll put up some posters around the village," her mom replied. Lucy made posters with a picture of the kitten and wrote, "Found. White kitten with a black spot on its nose. Call Lucy if it's yours." A few days later, Lucy's phone rang. It was an elderly woman named Mrs. Green. "I think you found my kitten. Her name is Snowy," she said. Lucy was happy, but also a little sad. She loved playing with the kitten. When Mrs. Green arrived, Snowy jumped into her arms, purring loudly. "Thank you for taking care of her, Lucy. You can visit Snowy anytime you want," Mrs. Green said with a smile. Lucy felt happy. She had helped reunite Snowy with her owner and made a new friend in Mrs. Green.
One, where did Lucy find the kitten? A, in her house. B, under a bush. C, at school. D, in the park. Two, what did Lucy give the kitten at home? A, water. B, milk. C, food. D, a toy. Three, what was the name of the kitten? A, Fluffy. B, Snowy. C, Spotty. D, Whiskers. Three, who called Lucy about the kitten? A young girl. B, a man. C, an elderly woman. D, a boy. Five, how did Lucy feel when the kitten's owner came to get her? Angry. B, sad. C, happy but a little sad. D, indifferent.